What's up, y'all? Let me in. We're Randy today. Today's the day we make Crustina great again. What's up, Zosh? Wow, what you doing, bro? They be like, where Randy at, man? Randy, you right here, dog. Randy, you like this song? Kiki, do you? That's Randy's favorite song. Wow. She ain't mad. That's the Kiki part. About to head to the paint shop to pick up the bumper, fender, and the lip. They actually finished it in 2 days. I dropped it off Tuesday, actually. I didn't tell you guys. Monday, I couldn't get nobody to cut my fender. So Tuesday was the day I was able to drop off the stuff, and today is Thursday, so hopefully it came out good and it matched the paint.
I'm speaking my language, don't know what she's saying, but we converse. I got no concerns about every purge. I'm playing like a million perms. Flow is superb, but did it occur that these were the thoughts of a nerd that couldn't get heard. Now all of these bitches is catching the herd. You got some nerve.
So we just made it to the paint shop. Crustina is back, dog. Alright, did a good ass job. And the lip, yes sir. Got it all loaded up, playboy. Time to make my car look clean. Paid $150, bro. Basically $50 for everything to get it repainted. That's not bad. So my total cost for this whole thing, I had to buy another fender. So that was 40, 80, and then 60. 80 plus 60 is what, 140? 80 plus 60? 140? He's a smart guy. Alright, let's get these parts, playboy. Oh, look at this. Man, that's why I can't have nice things. I don't know if that happened at the paint shop or something, but I ain't gonna worry about it. Whatever. I'm gonna pay $150 for everything, so I ain't tripping. Right now, before we put on the fender, the lip, which that has to mold in the sun. I don't know if you guys can even see it. It's like got some wavy action. And the front bumper, gotta do my signal light crap again for the signal lights and the, yeah. Yo, so yesterday, what the hell? Okay, so yesterday was it was an eventful day. Me and Randy couldn't figure out my headlight issue, but 1 o'clock that night, well today, the next day, which is Friday, I fixed all my wiring. I got both fenders on with the side markers. Now I gotta do the lip, the bumper, and the splitter today. But right now I gotta head up to Honda to pick up some shift linkage stuff for the track tomorrow so I can get my sloppiness out my shifter gone. I've been in my car for a total of 2 minutes and 49 seconds, 52 seconds. It's hot, bro. It's hot. Hey Acura, you mind sponsoring my Honda? Oh, these air fresheners are the truth, bro. But it ain't black ice, but it's the truth.
You're on the phone with Anthony yesterday, and I just want to make sure everything's good to go for you.
Pin. Oh, that's it.
That's good?
Yes, sir.
All right, let me get your bill there, man.
Yes, sir. Hey, that's me, bro. Commercial account gang, cuz. Brip. This Florida heat is no joke. I feel like Harriet Tubman. But what your boy got going on right now is replacing this, I don't know what it is, this seal right here. This right here will cause some shifter slop. And I also got the pin right here, that would cause it too, the bitch pin. And on some linkages, this could be bad, like this right here, I don't know what that's called. But this part right here would just be bad, but luckily that's fine. So I got the bitch pin because my bitch pin has been a bitch. 2 hours have passed and I got the shifter on. It was just, bro, it's so hot to film right now. It has to be like 110 degrees right now. It just has to be. But all that's left now is putting on the front bumper. I got the splitter on, and I told you I already had the fenders and stuff on. The linkage is on. I done put the shifter in. I tried letting the lip stay in the sun so it can flex back to its original shape because I don't know if you guys can see, you got like a little right here, like it goes up waviness to it, so. Yeah. And just like that, Crustina is great again, boy. She's back to normal. But now I gotta hurry up and get to Randy's job for an alignment. I gotta hurry up, but for the most part, look at it, boys. She's back in her prime. Back in her prime. The stuff I bought from Acura actually worked, because look at that, in gear, slight. Before I could be like, it looked like I was in neutral, but that's much better, much better. Made it to the place. We got my Crash Salty. Rob, how's it going, Rob? That boy Hectoroni clean. We gonna give me a run for it, bro. Let's race for pink slips. We gonna race for pinks? Nah. What's, bro? You boosted. And you got, but he got the JDM thing on his tag, bro. That's Arrow. Wow, boy, clean. That boy Mo let me drive his raced out, specced out NA Miata, bro.
Spec Miata?
You want to trade cars?
Nah.
Your boy whipping a Miatas right now, bro. I feel kind of clean. I feel like my name should be Precious. Driving a Miata made me quickly realize that I feel like a guy named Rudy. Oh, you talking about Robert's car clean? Yeah, his car is clean, bro. Look, wow. You see that paint, bro? Pristine, boy. Pristine. Alignment time.
Bro, we get more jackets. I want to get a jacket.
Oh, my merch about to drop soon. Oh, it's fire. It's coming.
Okay. Give me one, nigga. I'm going to text you.
When they drop? Yeah, I got you. Wow. I'm clean again. My splitter look kind of fucked up, though. Oh, well. I think you started last time. You said my thing is bad. It's not? Then why my shit pulling like the way it does?
Oh, it's always bad. That's why I pull so much. It's always out. That's a lot.
Okay, so my toe is bad.
That,
oh, my camera's not bad.
Over here, it shouldn't be out. It should be out. You cancel out, but you got that. The control arm is fucked.
Yeah. The control arm bushing's fucked?
Remember this one shit? Did you ever fix it?
I did. It was right here.
Was that?
Yeah.
That was the one that kept on coming.
Yeah, it kept coming loose. But that's fixed. I guess it's just the bushing, that bushing over there. And a ball joint, yeah. 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 That boy Randy a hard worker, y'all. They be like, well, Randy at? How come he not in the videos? That boy Randy be messing up people's shit. And he get paid to do it. This is a Honda meet, bro.
Boom. Hey.
Boy, boosted boys.
Hi, god damn.
It's done. My beautiful, beautiful Integra. Oh, Randy, you did such a great job. Oh, man. All right, so I've been dragging this video on for way too long. It's time to go home. That boy Randy got your boy right with the alignment. When I get home, I'll close out the video. Well, I got home. It's like 3 days later after the track day. And Crustina, well, she's not that great again. She's back down to being like, I don't even want to tell you guys. But just know, come next video, if somebody can guess what happened to the car, I don't know what I'll do, but if you guess it right, then cool. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know what I'm saying? Crustina is back being beautiful. Kinda. But all in all, the car is back together. Got no major damage. Everything looks copacetic. Everything looks straight, playboy. Now it's time to continue to work on the Ruck. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. If you thought this video was enjoyable in any way, shape, or form, smack that like button for you, boy. That'd be greatly appreciated. I will catch you guys in the next one, which will be hopefully tomorrow. I'm trying to get some daily up, man. I know you guys been wanting daily uploads, and I've been off my daily upload grind for about a month and a half now. So hopefully tomorrow there's a video, so come back tomorrow. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace!